The world was developing at a faster rate. Everyone were busy in their lives. But most importantly, they were living a normal life. There were crowds in street and people could go anywhere freely. But most importantly, they didn't have to follow the practice of social distancing in order to keep themselves safe. Strange, isn't it? But who knew that one day a virus could change our entire life? Even in countries like France, USA, China, and Italy, streets were empty and there was barely any person on the street. These countries are known for their tourists, but this global pandemic made sure that every person is locked inside their home in order to keep themselves safe from this deadly coronavirus. But the thing that was most affected was the education system. Who thought that the schools could be empty without any children or teachers in it? But there has to be an alternative for students to keep continuing their studies, and that was online learning. Do you really think that this method is actually beneficial? Well, with everything that comes, it has its own pros and cons. So let's just see if this online method of learning is actually helping the students to gain education in some form or the other. Here I have interviewed one of a student and his point of views regarding the online education.
I'm Niket Dhingra. I'm a student of mechanical engineering pursuing from Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology.
Okay, the first question is your first impression of online classes.
So the first impression was pretty new and challenging for all of us. For me personally, it was a little bit challenging because during the initial stages, I had some difficulty like finding the links and all for the classrooms, but eventually I got used to it.
The second question is do you prefer this mode or the offline mode of learning?
See, I believe every mode has its pros and cons. I prefer, like, if it's possible, we can continue with both the ways. For example, for some people, those who are far away from the college places, maybe online mode can help them. And of course, who are interested in studying at the college campus, they can come and study there as well. So one teacher can teach, and the live session can be recorded and handed over to students again.
Okay, so my third question for you is do you find it a better way of learning?
Well, I'm not a big fan of online studies since the beginning because I believe if we study from books, not only the topic we are looking for, but we can study the other things as well just by looking for the particular topic. So we don't have to be very specific. And this online mode is quite a bit little specific towards the studies, so I prefer not over the physical part of the studies.
Okay, so the fourth question is what are the drawbacks of online learning according to you?
Personally, these spectacles which you are looking, these are not any numbered lens. These are just power lens which I have been using just to attend the online classes because I'm sitting in front of the computer for like 14 hours a day. So it's a huge strain on the eyes. And I believe sometimes, like, I'm personally attending on Zoom calls, so in between if I had to ask a doubt, I have to raise hand, and then maybe after 5 to 10 minutes the teacher will unmute me. So I believe that's not a very quick interaction with the teacher. So I think that's a few of the drawbacks of the online system of learning.
Okay, so my fifth question for you is do you find your classes to be very interactive?
Yeah, they are interactive, but not as interactive as the physical classes because, as I mentioned, there are not quick interactions with the teachers, so not that interactive as compared to physical classes.
Okay, so the sixth one is the most important one, I guess. Are you attending all the classes honestly, like with full attention?
Yeah, I have had a guru mantra for this. Whenever I am attending an online class, my phone is in the other room because most of the times I have to look up for notes, and then when I check my phone, I don't only check notes but social media, and also it's a distraction. So I keep my phone away, and then automatically the attention comes, and I attend the classes with full dedication and attention.
Okay, so my last question for you is Would you like that when universities get open after COVID 19? Do you want this method of online learning to be still there?
Well, I believe if it's possible to keep both the methods hand in hand and working together, I believe that would be a great thing. Like online classes and physical classes both, because children can get recorded lectures as well. And for some, those who aren't willing to join the colleges straight away after the corona gets over because of some fear, maybe that will be beneficial for them as well.